it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Live, and in today's video we thought we would share with you all a recent day out to one of our favourite beautiful places, isn't it, Mum?
We did. It's one of the National Trust places.
It's Plas Newydd. We absolutely love it there.
We always enjoy having a day out there, and especially on a nice day with the lovely gardens and the walks that they have around as well.
Absolutely. It was a bit chilly though, wasn't it?
It was a little bit on the windy side, but still we enjoyed it.
Just close your eyes and let them rest. I know it's hard to fall asleep, but do your best. 'Cause there's a place that I go to when I want to hide from all the shades of blue. 'Cause at times I think of leaving, my mind takes me back to fall, when the snow begins to sing goodnight to warm. But I will never leave your side, you're the reason to all my pride. Never wither and runs dry, and your roses are my guides. Goodbye, my friend. Just feel the wind. If you look close, you see the lilies dance and how they slowly grow. I'm counting years as they go by. Now all the lilies gone and days is brought to life. 'Cause at times I think of leaving, my mind takes me back to fall, when the snow begins to sing goodnight to all. Your head is full of dreams, tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter? safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free. These open woods, I knew I could find peace here. Nothing like the city where I got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights, up on greater heights. See the blue sky, feel the wind that blows. Get the rush in, heaven only knows. I'm all alone, still lying far from lonely. On a journey, on a winding road. Got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Something's in the air, I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people.
We really hope that you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps a lot. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please subscribe. We'd love to have you on our journey. This time in the comments, we'd love to know what your favourite part of Plas Newydd was. Or where is your favourite National Trust place?
They're great questions. You always enjoy it as well, just to sit down and listen to me describing everything around.
Especially that beautiful painting.
Oh, that's so amazing. I can remember when I was little going to visit Plas Newydd. We used to go once a year, and I just always enjoyed going into that room.
We really hope to be able to share with you all some more lovely days out in the summer.
That'd be amazing.
And we really can't wait to see you all here again next time.
Bye!
Take care.